Let's look at how to personalize the dock and your Shipments Grid. Enable the dock's auto print option to automatically launch the web browser's print window as soon as a shipping label is created. Toggle the Layout button to change between vertical and horizontal layouts. Resize the dock by dragging between the orders grid and the dock. Hide a column in the Shipments Grid by clicking the kebab menu, that's the menu with the 3 dots, in the column header. Select Hide Column to hide the column. Show or hide multiple columns by selecting Manage Columns. Then, check or uncheck the columns to show or hide them. When working on a desktop, you can reorder columns by clicking and dragging the columns into the order you wish for them to appear. Pin columns to the left or the right of the Shipments Grid so that, as you scroll, the pin columns remain visible. You can pin multiple columns if needed. Most columns on the Shipments Grid can be sorted by clicking the column heading you wish to sort the shipments by. Clicking multiple times alternates between ascending order, descending order, and unsorted. If needed, you can reset the Shipments Grid to its original layout. Go to Settings, Account Settings, and click Reset Shipments Grid. Then, confirm that you wish to reset the grid. Want more post-sale quick tips? Be sure to subscribe to the Postsale YouTube channel and to check out the Postsale blog.